Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add photo on tag. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your tagged application. Tap on three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Tap on your profile picture. Now onto this photos section, tap on plus icon. Select any picture that you want to upload. Tap on upload on the top right corner. Now if you want, you can add a caption. Here I am going to add a random one. Tap on upload on the top right corner. And that is how you can easily upload your photo on tag. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.